Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to share scan PDFs via email or cloud in Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up Adobe Scan application. So simply head over and open it up, and then once you're inside, what you need to do is tap on the home icon on the top left corner of your screen. That will send you to the home screen of the Adobe Scan. Now simply tap the scan you want to share, and on tapping it, tap on the share icon right here, and that will open up box with an options that you can use in order to share your PDF. You now choose email for sharing options, then select your email app from Gmail, Outlook, etc. The next is to enter recipient email address and add a subject and a message if needed. Then once done, simply tap on this arrow icon or the send icon to send the scanned PDF by simply tapping on the arrow. In order to share via cloud, what you need to do is simply tap on the share icon once again. Then from the given options, select the cloud. Or choose the cloud storage options like Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Save to Adobe Document Cloud. Then follow the prompts to upload the PDF to a cloud account, and you can then share the link with others for easier access. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.